full-scale simulation control system platform. Brings you into a most real controlling piloting experience. Button start. Controller with USB charging port. Music switch. Silent mode. Simulated flight mode. Flight with music mode. Sound switch. High, medium, low. Direction stick makes the helicopter forward. Backward. Turn left. Turn right. Advanced simulation sound of shooting. Click button, sound of shooting. Press button, sound of launching missile. Missile launches. Helicopter with flashing light. 2-inch high fidelity sound design. By adding pupils, the base can stand firm on the desktop. There are 2 methods for you to operate the helicopter, by placing on the knees or on the desk, etc. The control scope of ordinary remote control is only about 45 degrees, but ژیرسکوپ 2.4G remote control has 360 degrees all-dimensional range. 2 charging methods. Charging with the USB port of the controller. Charging by connection with the helicopter and computer. ژیرسکوپ Simulation Remote Control simulates real aircraft console with consistent principle but without deviating from the nature of toy interestingness. Compared with ordinary remote control, ergonomic handle means more easily to operate. Design of simulation sound effect creates more shocking effect. 1-inch vibration meter makes the console vibrate like a cockpit. 2.4 GHz transmission, omnibearing operating, more quick reaction, farther control distance. There are 100 different channels that can be chosen to operate the helicopter without any interference. That everybody can operate the helicopter one by one with fun helps you realize the dream of being a pilot.